Hello, this is Brent. This is my day one of improving my public speaking and communication skills for the next 100 days. And for today, this is just an introduction kung ano nga ba yung gagawin natin. Sorry guys, I'm medyo low on energy. I just don't feel like doing this content. Kasi, yun, I feel tired. Parang sabog, parang procrastination. Kung ano man yung nararamdaman ko, hindi ko may maliwanag. Pero in short, hindi ko feel na gawin to. And alam ko naranasan nyo din yun. Para bang hindi nyo gustong gawin yung isang bagay. Pero alam ko na kailangan ko itong gawin. And I just need to start. Hindi man perfect ng video na to, but what matters is that nag-start tayo. Kaya, let's go. So, this video is for introduction. Ipapaliwanag ko sa inyo kung paano gumaganing 100 days and kung bakit ko nga ba siya gagawin. First of all, bakit? Gagawin ko siya to improve my overall public speaking and communication skills. And, paano nga ba ito gumagana? And every day, from day 1 to day 100, may specific topic tayong nakaset. Paano gumagana yun? Kunyari, for day 1, may isang topic and then ayun na yung pagsasalitaan mo. Okay? Pagsasalitaan mo yun, parang pag-uusapan. Okay. And now, ngayon day, introduction. So, ayun yung pag-uusapan ko. Pero ang pinaka-purpose nito, pag nagsushoot ako ng video, dapat walang cut. Bakit? Kasi by the end of this week, specifically Saturday, i-review ko lahat ng videos. Titignan ko ano yung areas na pwede kong i-improve and then ayun yung i-improve ko the upcoming weeks. So, ganun gumagana yun. And pag nagkaroon ako ng cut, hindi na maganda. Bakit? Kasi wala na yung flaws eh. And ayun yung kailangan ko, yung flaws, kung ano nga ba yung kailangan kong improve. That's why right now, this is just an introduction. And yan, masaya dahil nakapag-start na tayo. See you guys on the upcoming days. Peace.